Now let's scroll back up again to my to my first constructor, the default constructor. Typically, Java developers would not write the same set of instructions twice. Rather, the first one, they will change to a this call, which was a call to the other constructor, and will pass the parameters over. That way, they will save themselves from having to write the same stuff again. So what we're doing over here is, if the overloaded constructor gets called, if the default constructor gets called, it simply makes a call to the overloaded constructor and pass these values into the respective parameters. So same thing happens. However, you code less. So that shows you how you can code less and use a this constructor call versus this object. So there are two separate things: this constructor call versus this object.